Hi, it's Dirk from Osmo. Do you have oiled wooden flooring with quite a few years under its belt? Want to bring it back into shape without any sanding? In this video we will show you how you can do that with our intensive cleaner. That's it for today. If you like this video, please comment, like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date on our latest videos.